Welcome to day 4 of my 30 days episode, 30 ways founders save time and money using Canva. Do you know that you can actually schedule your social media content right in Canva? Follow me through while I show you how to do this. In my Canva right now, and there are 2 ways to go about this. I'll be showing you the 2 ways to do it. The first way is to scroll down to your apps. Under apps, you're going to scroll down to Content Planner. Click on Content Planner. When you get to your content planner, you will see the dashboard, and this is actually easy for you to track what is going on well, and you can actually see it at the side of it. So I love this aspect of it. Today is 13th of August. So today I want to schedule some content for the day. So I click on plus. Now I want to schedule some content. So let me say I already want to use my graphics that I've already created the template on Grand. So I'm using graphics that I've already created the template. So I click on this image, and that's what I want to post about. So it's my picture, and it has many pages. So it's just like this is going to be like a carousel post like that. So now you're going to select a channel where you want to post it to. I've already connected my LinkedIn to Canva. So that is where I want to post it to. So I click on my LinkedIn, then I write the caption. So I can even select how many pages I want to show up on LinkedIn. If it is an image picture, so let me say I reduce it. I don't want to use all the image. So now I'm done with that. Then I'll write my caption. Then I click on schedule. Once you click on schedule, you are going to be sent back to your dashboard, meaning that you'll be able to see your post at the site of it. So it's visible. You can see it here. It's showing that I've already scheduled content for LinkedIn. And let's say I want to schedule for other days as well. Let me say for Friday, for Sunday, everything is available on this interface. So let me say I want to use template this time around. I want to design. Then I click on one template, image, then change the brand and all that. Then after I'm done with this, I go to schedule. You can see it's showing schedule. Then the next thing is to select the channel where I want to post this to, as usual, LinkedIn. Then I just write my caption and I click on schedule. And this, you can see it's preparing my design, and this will be automatically scheduled. Then you see your design is already scheduled. Then I can go to Content Planner and see it like from the dashboard. I can view how it looks like. And I so much love this dashboard because you are able to I so much love this dashboard because you're able to see your content directly without um, thinking about which day have you created, which other day have you not. You can see you will see it on the dashboard. You can view it, and that's a good thing about it. So the second one I want to talk about, way to go about it is, you can easily share from your content calendar or from your graphics, your design. So this is my recent design. And what I'm going to do here, you can see it's saying post to social media, share. So I just click on post to social media. Then I will select the social media I want to use. If there are many social media there, you can even schedule directly to Pinterest, to LinkedIn page, to TikTok, to Instagram, to Twitter. So this is what I've already connected to my Canva. So I'm clicking on LinkedIn, and after that I write the caption. So after writing the caption, I click on schedule to publish later. If I click on schedule to publish now, this will go live immediately. But I'm clicking on schedule to publish later, then I will select the date. Maybe it's on Monday or Tuesday, click on it, and the time, select the time, and you're done. Then you schedule it. Once you schedule it, you also go back to your dashboard of Content Planner to view, and you'll be able to view it. I think this is easy to do, save a lot of time for funders, and all the tools are already in one place. You just grab and go. So see you in my next video where I'll be talking about how to design logo using Canva. Bye.